Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ravi Prakash. I am from Sikar, Rajasthan. I have completed my 12th class from State Board. Now I am pursuing my graduation from State University. There are 9 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. We are two siblings. My hobbies are running and listening music. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a adventurous life and respectful personality in our society. Now I would like to discuss about the topic that is teacher versus soldier. Teacher and soldier both are important for the nation. Teacher teach us and shape our the mind for the future, while soldier safeguard the nation for security and sovereignty. Each role plays a crucial part in the development and defense of a country. Thank you.
रवि यादव, आपको अपने जो अबाउट द टॉपिक है थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए। बाकी सब कुछ अच्छा है, थोड़ा सा इसको लॉन्ग करने की कोशिश कीजिए। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अनिकेत कुमार।
Okay, sir.
Hello. Are you there, Raj? Okay. Jai Hind everyone, my name is Aniket Kumar. I am from Sangli, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for woodwork, furniture, and also famous for Masakungi Devi Fair. I have recently completed my BSc with PCM from CCS University, and I have also good academic career in 10th and 12th and also from UP Board. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a private teacher. My hobbies are playing cricket and cooking food. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives a well adventurous and disciplined life. Today, our new topic is teachers versus soldiers. There are no comparison between teachers versus soldiers, but in my point of view, there are both important for our future because they are become help to developing country to develop country. In my point of view, teacher is a very necessary for our society because it is the right way for the little children and the children are become in the future to serve our nation with a peaceful mind. The children in the future become soldiers. The soldiers give the security for our nations in the boundary of the nations. Not only in the boundary, the soldiers are also secure in the inner problems because the terrorists are not only in the outer space in inner space. But if we see that both are very important for our nation. So for this question, really, thank you so much.
ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट रोहित राठौड़।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Rohit. I belong to Hardoi. Located in UP, there are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a perfect homemaker. I have done 12th from UP Board, BA recently from Kanpur University. My hobbies playing cricket and reading newspaper. And that's all about me. Dear friends, today we are here to discuss about the topic of teacher versus soldier. Teacher and soldier are both good to play role our nation and our country. A teacher teaches naturals the youth of nation, while a soldier fights for and protect the nation. However, it is possible to measure their contribution and judge who has a bigger impact. The teacher helps their students develop a attitude and thoughts process, while a teacher who will teach a soldier the necessary value and the distinction between right and wrong. Thank you.
ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट आदित्य कुमार। नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट आदित्य कुमार।
Respected sir and my dear friends, my name is Adit Kumar. I am from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10 plus 2 education with PCM stream from UP board. My father is a diligent farmer and my mother is a good dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are reading newspaper, running and playing outdoor games like cricket, volleyball, etc. I want to join Indian Agniviraj because it is a great opportunity to serve our motherland and its logo Nav Sparsam Deeptam inspire me. That's all about me. I would here we discuss about the topic. The topic is teacher versus soldier. according to me, I prefer the teacher because the teacher is a third parents of our life. As we know that friends, teacher is bigger than God because he teaches us to he teach us to going many sectors like defense sectors, sports, and other officials. But as we know that friends, teacher is a very big role uh, for the nation building. But in other point, soldiers also contribute for the nation because they are stand without any hesitation and fear in dense forest, deep hills, and many harmful situations like LOC, Kargil, and other. But as we know that friends, teacher are promoted our student to going to serve our nations, and it is a very big role for the in upcoming generation because they are learn for the modern technologies and other things. Thank you.
आदित्य कुमार, जब आपको ये लग रहा है कि मैं आगे कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाऊंगा, तो आप उसको वहीं पे एंड कर दीजिए। आप उसको और लंबा खींचने की कोशिश मत कीजिए। उसको और लंबा खींचने के चक्कर में आप अपनी जो परफॉर्मेंस है उसको खराब कर रहे हैं। तो जहां पर आपको ऐसा लगे कि मैं इसके आगे कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाऊंगा, तो वहीं पर आप अपना जो अबाउट द टॉपिक है या कोई पॉइंट है तो उसको वहीं पे एंड कर दीजिए। उसको आगे कंटिन्यू करने की कोशिश मत कीजिए। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट इज ठाकुर खुशी।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Kushi. I am from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th class from UP board in 2022 with 80% and currently I am pursuing BSc from Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut. There are 5 members in my family. My father name is Mr. Sanjay Singh. He is a farmer. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. And my hobbies are playing badminton, cooking food, and in my standpoints are I can adjust myself in any situation. I have friendly nature. That's all about me. Now I come my topic, dear old friends. We are here to discuss on the topic which is assigned to us, that is teacher versus soldier. Dear friends, we can see in our society both play a vital role in our life. There is no comparison both, but we can say both are served in our nation in different way. Like if I would like to talk about a teacher help to a student for their teachers and include and also include their goals and achieve their goals also achieve help a teacher. Like some students make their goals to become a doctor, engineer, and also a soldier. So teachers also help to achieve their goals. And if on the other hand, if I will talk to about the soldier, a soldier serve our nation. If we are the product in our country, that is the gain of a soldier. So both are the play in a vital role in our life, and both are important for any country. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट चेस्ट नंबर 17।
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Salini. I am from Mathura, UP, which is famous for the birth of Lord Krishna. I have completed my class 10th and class 12th from MBM Inter College, Nagada, Mathura. At present, I pursuing BSc first year from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My hobbies are playing games and doing yoga. My life aim is I want to serve myself in Indian Air Force because it is a great opportunity to serve for our motherland after completing from our class 12th. Thank you, sir. That's all about me. Now, friends, I coming to our GD topic. So today topic is a teachers versus soldier. Dear all friends, it is a sad teacher are treated above our parents in our society because parents give birth to children, but teacher teaches children how to go ahead in the life. So a teacher serves more. A teacher serves more than soldier because soldiers are also taught by the teacher. So a teacher should be ranked above soldier. Thank you.
जस्ट समझिए ना, आपकी जो स्पीड है वो बहुत ही थोड़ी स्लो है, तो इसको आप थोड़ा सा इसके ऊपर फोकस कीजिए और अपनी स्पीड को इंक्रीज कीजिए। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट सागर कुमार।
Jain sir and my dear friends, my name is Sagar Kumar. I am from Samli, Uttar Pradesh. I passed class 12th from UP board. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing cricket. My strong point is that I am hardworking. I want to join Indian Air Force because I serve the nation. I would like to speak on this topic. My topic: teacher versus soldiers. According to me, teacher and soldiers both are important because soldiers guard the country against external threats, but teacher has responsibility to teach student. As soldiers, we should always salute our soldiers, and teacher teach teacher build the future generation. He risk his life for a soldier. Safety of his countryman comes first, then the safety of his boys, and his own safety comes last. जय हिंद जय भारत।
देखिए सागर कुमार, आपके अंदर थोड़ी सी हेजिटेशन है और आप अपने जो पॉइंट्स हैं उनके अंदर थोड़ा रुक रुक के बोल रहे हैं, तो उसको एक फ्लुएंट वॉइस के अंदर कंटिन्यू करने की कोशिश कीजिए कि आप अपना जो पॉइंट है उसको कंटिन्यू बोल सके, ये थोड़ी सी कोशिश कीजिए। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट शालिनी मौर्य।
Jain sir and Jai Hind everyone. I am Salini Moore. I hail from the homeland of a great warrior, Babu Veer Kaur Singh, that is Jagdishpur, Bhojpur, Bihar. I have completed my 12th in 2023 with 10% marks, and currently I am pursuing my graduation from Maharaja College, a branch of Veer Kaur Singh University. There are 5 members in my family. My father is in transportation business, and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. In my free time, I used to listen to music and read history books. In my strength, I am cheerful, cooperative, and I never give up easily. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is one of the most respected job in India, and at the same time, it enhances many career opportunities at very low age. That's all about me. Now moving to the topic that is assigned to us: teacher versus soldiers. In my perspective, both teachers and soldiers are the two pillars of the nation. The imagination of a nation the future of a nation cannot be imagined without them. If a teacher is beneficial for the future of a student, then the soldier is very beneficial to protect the future of a mankind. There are different consequences of both the teachers and soldiers that we will discuss in our DD part. That's all from me. Thank you.
शालिनी, देखिए आप जो रुक रुक के बोल रही है, तो इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए, फ्लुएंसी लेके आइए वॉइस के अंदर, और अपना जो पॉइंट है उसको बैक टू बैक कंटिन्यू करने की कोशिश कीजिए। जब भी आप सेशन कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी पॉइंट अपना रख रहे हैं, तो ये कोशिश कीजिए कि आप कंटिन्यू अपने पॉइंट्स को रख पाए। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट इज स्मृतु ओडिशा।
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Smriti Ranjan Sahu from Odisha, Cuttack, which is famous for Baravati Stadium. I am completed my class 12 from Salapur Higher Secondary School, and I am currently pursuing graduation from Salapur Autonomous College. My hobbies are like playing cricket and reading newspaper in free time. I want to join Agnivir Bayu because it is a great opportunity to serve our motherland after completing my class 12. Thank you, friends. This is all about to me. Now I am coming to our GD topic, which is assigned to us, that is teacher versus soldier. First, we know that teacher both are not comparable. Neither teachers and soldiers are both are important for our developing nation. So we know that we see in soldiers are help our nation against any terrorist attacks. So we know that soldiers are away from his home and family for a long period of time. So we see many soldiers are serve in the like in a desert area and hilly area where temperature is very high or low. So they are risk their life. But another that is the teacher has a best responsibility to teach every children and student. So teacher gives us the responsible for growing our future of our country. So we know that for a child to become a soldier, so teachers is a big role play in our country. Thank you.
Next candidate, Ashutosh.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Ashutosh Singh. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th PCM from UP board and now I am pursuing my graduation. And my hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because his duty and discipline are always attached to me. And I want to serve our nation. That's all about me. And now we are here to discuss on the topic. The topic is teacher versus soldiers. And the teacher and soldiers both are important for our country and our nation. So teacher teaches us students and soldiers serve our country and so both are important and soldiers life is risky and but teacher teaches students and teacher builds our future generation and soldiers serve our duty in border area like in Rajasthan at Jaisalmer he is serving in desert area soldiers are serving in my plus 55 degrees centigrade and so soldiers are very important for our nation. Thank you.
Okay, next candidate, Himanshu Pal.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Himanshu Pal. I am from Etawah, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10 plus 2 in 2022. Now I am pursuing BSc from Kanpur University. There are 4 members in my family including me. I want to join Air Force because I want to become a part of MOD. That's all about me. So today's our GD topic is teacher versus soldier. So friends, as we all know that the work of teacher to educate the children and educate the children as well as students so and the work of soldier to protect our in country people for terror attack as well as attack of another country so both are important for us but in some cases is India is a developing country so education is a more important things for our country for developed nation so in my opinion teacher is very important for us because if teacher cannot teach student so student cannot become a soldier. Thank you.
हिमांशु, आपको अपने टॉपिक के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत है। आपका जो टॉपिक है वो प्रिपेयर नहीं है, तो टॉपिक को जो भी टॉपिक आपको असाइन किया जाता है उस टॉपिक को तैयार किया करो, अपने सेल्फ नोट्स बनाओ। अगर नहीं बनाओगे तो आपको फेलियर का सामना करना पड़ सकता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अनुभव।
Jai Hind, respected sir, and my dear friends. My name is Anubhav from Badai, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for many historical buildings. I have passed my 12th examination from RKSB Winter College and currently pursuing Bachelor of Arts third year from HSD College. My hobbies are playing cricket, piano, and volleyball. I wanted to join Indian Air Force as I have enthusiasm to do something for my country. That's all about me. Now coming on to our GD topic, which is teacher versus soldier, which is more important. So friends, we can say that the teacher and the soldier has their own importance. If we are talking about the soldiers, then it protect our nation from the outside attacks and terrorism. And terrorism, it the first duty of a soldier is to protect of a particular nation, and sometime he has to lose their life, and the soldier works in odd circumstances. And if we talking about a teacher, then it makes the future of a particular student and have a vital role to in development of a particular nation. I will continue my further discussion in my GD. Thank you.
Okay, next candidate Shubham Sharma. Shubham Sharma.
Yes.
Shubham.
Good. Okay, sir. Good morning, gentlemen. I am Shubham Sharma. I belongs to Agar Malwa, Madhya Pradesh. I complete my 10 plus 2 with PCM subject and now I am pursuing BSc from Vikram University, Ujjain. My hobbies are gardening, listening music, and sports. Best career opportunity and job security are two major reasons that I joined this force. Dear friend, the topic assigned to us is teacher versus soldier. Teacher and soldier both play a major role in our society as well as in our life. Teacher provide a best medium to educate and get the peak of the success, and soldier provide a security of our nation and defense sector. the teacher and soldier both have good impact on our society at their own perspective. Teacher lead to take a student to go to the success and provide a medium and a path the student struggle to the success, and soldier provide need of security of our nation, that another and defense that another country not attack him. Thank you.
ओके शुभम शर्मा, आपको भी बहुत ही ज्यादा अपना जो टॉपिक है उसके ऊपर ध्यान देने की जरूरत है। ज्यादा से ज्यादा अपने टॉपिक की प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, केवल इसी टॉपिक की नहीं, जो अपने टॉपिक हो चुके हैं या जो अपने अदर्स टॉपिक प्लेलिस्ट के अंदर हैं उन सभी की आपको प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत है, क्योंकि आपकी जो याद रखने की मेमोरी है वो थोड़ी सी कम है, आप पॉइंट्स ऑन टाइम नहीं बना पा रहे हैं। तो ये चीजें जितनी आप ज्यादा टॉपिकों की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ही आपका बेहतर होता चलेगा। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट आयशा शुक्ला। और आयशा शुक्ला, आपको एक और बात बताना चाहूंगा कि टाइम से ज्वाइन हुआ करो। ओके, अब स्टार्ट करो।
Sir and my dear friends, my name is Aisha Shukla. I am from Kanpur, located in Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for leather and textile industries. I have done my schooling from Jawan Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kanpur Dehat in 2022 with CBSE board. I am self-motivated, core-oriented, and passionate about my work. I would love to listening songs and playing badminton. I am self-motivated, core-oriented, and passionate about my work. I am ambitious to join Indian Air Force because it gives us a platform to serve the nation with glory. At the same time, it ensures job security as well. Now move on to our topic, which is teachers versus soldiers. So both are the main pillars of the children's life for their multiple growth, and it is said that the teacher are treated above our parents in our society, because parents give birth to the children, but a teacher teaches a children how to go ahead in their life, and so a teacher serves more rather than a soldier, and a teacher serves more than soldier, because soldiers are also taught by their teachers. Now I will further discuss in GD.
Okay, candidates, now we start our discussion part, and Anubhav, you can initiate our today's topic. Start now discussion.
Thank you, sir, to give me this golden opportunity to initiate our GD topic, which is teacher versus soldiers. As we all know that both has its own importance, and we can say that education is more beneficial, more important for a particular nation. As Abraham Lincoln said that education is the more powerful weapon which can change a nation. Teacher provides education. As in today's time, we can say by the help of the online education, many students are making their career and fulfill their family's needs, and so we can say the teacher is more important for a nation compared to the soldier. Thank you.
Yes, dear friends, I agree with you.
And I want to add here some point. Now we can see in our society both are play a role in our life. Like we can see a teacher, a student have a teacher for their mother. That is the first teacher, and also they promote to distribute all over the world. We can see a teacher also teach a student to make a goal and also to achieve a goal. Now we can see in our society mostly students have many goals, so teacher also help to achieve their goals. Like we can see some students have some students want to become a doctors and also become a soldier. So if you want to a soldier, then also teacher help to us to become a soldier. Like we can say some teacher also education, and we can say some teacher also the physical mentally also fit to that.
Yes, dear friends, I am in my point of view. As we know, the teacher is a very important role in our life. Our education system is not good. When our education system is good and our student is good, our nation is a economic system and physical, mentally, and it is very important role of the teacher.
Yes,
I
dear
agree
friends, I
with
agree
your
with.
opinion, friends. But as we know that, friends, the soldiers are very important for the security of our nations. As we know that, friends.
Yes, dear
Yes,
friends,
dear
I
friend,
agree
I
with you.
agree
I
with
add to
you.
some point.
Now we can see soldiers are more important for our nation because soldiers are protect ourselves, because if a soldier protect our nation, then we can save in our nation, because we know very well many terrorism attacks all over the country. So soldier also protect us, so we can say the soldier is most important on our country, not only
Very
our
well.
country but
I
also the
agree with
whole.
you. In my point of view, the soldier is very necessary for our country because the soldier care all over the nations, not only in the border of the security but also in the under in nations. The duty of the soldier is day and night, and it is not matter what the weather is considered at that time. The soldier's duty is full on at all times, because the soldiers is every time in all duty.
Okay, friends, I am totally agree with you
For
and add some point in our
we
discussion.
mentioned that soldiers save us
Will
from the fatal attacks like a terrorism. Even they
for
don't not
future.
they are save us from the terrorism. They also save us. They also don't take proper food, proper rest, and they are stick with us for our safety. And they work continue their duty in all the situations, in all the weathers, whether it is minus 15 degrees Celsius or it is a plus 50 degrees Celsius temperature.
Yes,
And
dear friends, I agree with you.
although
I add
teachers
to
are
some
not
point.
soldiers,
Teachers
but
teaches students and soldiers serve our country. As we all know that in Rajasthan and in Jaisalmer, our soldiers are serving in border area and in 55 degrees centigrade. So soldiers are serving his nation, and teachers builds our future generation.
I
Yes,
agree
dear
with
friends,
your
I totally
opinion,
agree with
but
you.
as we know that, friends, soldiers are most role
That
for the
education is very
security
important
of
for
our
everyone.
nation. As we know that, friends, soldier are soldier are engaged many steps for the security, and it is reduce
Security purpose.
terrorism,
No
nationalism,
matter
separatism,
many people see
and
that the education
extremism.
of
As we know
teacher,
that,
but
friends,
no one get
soldier are
no
most
one get
role
promoted
for
a soldier,
the protection
because
of our
soldier
nations,
life is
like
a very
Uri
disciplined life
attacks,
and very
Pulwama
tough and
attacks.
short life.
Thank you.
But teacher life is very
Yes,
full
dear
of
friends, I may
joy,
agree with
and
you. In my
sometimes
point of view, for a soldier, safety of
the
his
government
countrymen
teacher
comes first, then safety
we
of his
say
boys
we
and his
some
own
many
safety
government
comes
teacher
last.
it not get our proper work, but a soldier life is disciplined life full of fear, and the soldier have very struggle life, so person is not join the soldier life.
Yes, I
Yes,
agree
my
with
dear
you.
friends,
In
I
my
agree
opinion,
with
a
you.
teacher is a
And I
personal
want to add
tool,
here
not
a
only
point.
measure of
We can
excellence, but also future
soldiers job
resource
is a very difficult
our
job.
nation.
We can
Train teachers serve
we can
the
see
national
teachers
goal.
also. Teachers job only on the day job, but we can see the our soldier job is a very difficult job. A
As we
teacher
know
uh,
that
our teacher our
we
teachers spend their time with their family,
compare
and also their family relatives, but a
teacher life to
soldier
friends.
have a
We know
minimum
that
time to spend with
the
family
soldier life is very harmful
and
and
also
very
the relatives.
Dedicated, I totally agree to you, and it is, as you said that the soldiers have to pay very much time to serve the nation, and they have to live very far from their family to live, to keep us protected from the external threats. But as we all know that education is the key factor of success, and the teacher plays very important role in the education sector. But the role of soldier in the education is also very important, because if the soldier does not protect us from external threats, then the education is very vulnerable.
Yes, dear friends, I agree with
Yes,
you. I
my
add
dear
to
friends,
some
I
point.
agree with you.
The soldiers are also the most important role in our country and our nation, because when we sleep in night peacefully, then soldiers serve our country. So we should salute our soldiers, and soldiers.
Because soldier duties all that times, and the duty of the soldiers at all that time in a week, not holiday for the soldiers, because the actual rates is readily come for our country. But on the other hand, we see that the teachers duty duty only 8 to 5 p.m. approx, and after that they can go our family. They go to the family and weekend to the family house. But on the other hand, we see that the soldiers can't go holiday and can't meet our family at a night and another in the month. Last the holiday of the soldiers is only in the 3 months and after the 4 months also.
I agree with
I
my
agree with your opinion, but I would like to mention at one point, as we know that friends, in India, soldiers' images are very crucial for the for the promoting our children. As we know that friends, 2611 cases. There are two NSG soldiers are killed by the attackers like Jasmal Kher. But it is a very crucial role for the reducing attacks. As we know that friends, soldier are very beneficial for the protection of our nations. But as
Yes,
we know
dear
that
friends, I
friends,
agree with you. I have to some
Yes,
point.
dear
Teacher,
friend, I am
teacher
agree
prepare
on this
many
point in my
soldiers,
point of view.
not only one soldier,
But
because
of
he
many
teaches
reasons that
many
India is
students.
still
And soldiers, soldiers serve our nation very peacefully when we sleep in night peacefully. Then so we should salute our soldiers. And as we all know that soldiers serve our country, and soldiers for soldiers country are come first, and after then his family.
I agree with my former speaker. Here, I would like to add one more point also. Friends, the importance of the teacher. We can see that there are 23 countries in all over the world where is no soldier, but teachers are there. So we can say the teacher are the more important for the particular country, and the teacher also help to improve the literacy rate of a particular country. As we can see the example in our country, the example of Bihar, which has the highest lowest literacy rate in our country, and Kerala has the highest literacy rate in our country, and because of the literacy rate, the Bihar has lowest development and Kerala has a better development. So we can see the teacher has a better role to a particular to development in development of a particular country. Thank you.
I agree
Yes,
with
dear
my
friends,
I agree to you, but I can say that I can partially agree to you because, as you said, that there are many countries who has no soldiers, but in the real perspective, they have not their own soldiers, but the
say that the teacher, like Kabir said, that the teacher is a most important in itself. It is a good for the God, and a teacher is our third parent. Teacher play a role for teach us and giving a better path to be success, and soldier play an important role in our security. As a security purpose, soldier is very beneficial. Without soldier, a country can not growing, and without teacher, society cannot grow. So both play a major role in our society.
okay, friends,
Yes, dear friend,
as our
I
former
totally agree
participant
with you. I want to
said that there are
share
many
some
countries
points. If I
who
want
have
to
no
elaborate,
their own soldiers, but
there are some points
if
in
we look at
favor
the
of soldiers.
real
Like we
background,
can see a soldier totally physically and mentally. So we can see a soldier that there is a more proud feeling in our society. We can see in a rural area, a soldier have a more respect as compared to teacher, and we can see many teachers also are the very lazy for their work, but a soldier cannot lazy for their work. A soldier always play a discipline role, and we can say a soldier always the physical and mentally fit. So if a person have a soldier, then you can also the promote their our India's economy, and we can say soldier is more important not only our country but also the whole country.
I agree with
Yes,
my
dear
former
friends,
friends, as
speaker.
our one of the former participants said that
Because the teacher guide us for the right path and take us to light from darkness, and the teacher makes us a true citizen of our nation. Dear friends, although a teacher teaches a soldier a lot, but it is a soldier who
Number 17, I am agree on
sacrifices
this point.
his
In my
life
point
for
of
us
view,
to
out of
serve
many regions,
our
that India
nation. So
is
a
still a developing
soldier
country.
serves more.
One of the main reasons is lack of education. Our education system strong, then India is a developing country. Then Prime Minister, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in new education policy 2020, it is our education system is strong and our education economic system is strong. It is main impact of our society. Then our teacher is a very important role in our society, in my point of view.
Okay, friend, as one of our foreign participants said that there are total 25 countries where the soldiers are not there. But if we see the real background, then we can observe that there are also soldiers, but they are not the real soldiers of that own country. But the United States imparts their own soldiers for there. So we can say that it is not important that the soldiers are of their own country, but there are also some.
backbone of our country, and it is a very important for play a role for our country, because the teachers are the very important. And but some teachers are demolished disposed because some teachers are sleep at the duty times. It is very bad for our youth, because they want this time to teach the children, and this is not the right time for sleeping. But we see that on the other hand, the soldiers are duty on this time, and we see that in Jaisalmer, like a 55 degrees Celsius, but the soldiers are stable at one place and properly
Yes, dear
fulfill the
friends, I agree
conditions
with
on
you. I to some point, not only in Jaisalmer soldiers are serving, but also in Ladakh area, minus 40 degrees centigrade in 1600 meters height, they are serving on Ladakh. So it is very important to roll our soldiers. They are serving for our nation, and not only soldiers, but also important for teachers also provides education, because after education they serve, they join soldiers. So both are important for our nation.
Okay, I agree
Yes,
with
dear
you.
friend, I
Friend, I
totally
agree with
agree
your
with you,
opinion. I
and
would
I
like
would
to
like
add
our
one
friend
more
that
point. As
a
we know that
student
friends,
know the proper
soldier
procedure
are
what to do in your
teacher
life.
both are essential
So
for
a
the
teacher
development of
help a
our nations,
student
because
to
teachers
protect their
teach our
goals and achieve
upcoming
all their
children,
goals.
and to
We
prepare
can
for
see
the
in our country the
upcoming
education level
any
are very
bad
poor,
situations,
mostly
and
people
it
are
is a promote
unemployment throughout the
to
below education
increase in
level.
many
If
sectors
the
like science, to
education
making scientist and engineer, doctor, as well as the bureaucrat. But as we know that friends, soldier are give the best for the protection of our nations, not only in many heat places, but also in many cool places. As we know that friends, soldiers are
Yes, dear friends, I agree
stay
with some
without
point.
any hesitation and any fear in dense forest and many bad situations.
Yes,
Adit
dear
Kumar, I
friends,
agree
I
with you,
agree
but I
with
add
you
to some
as
point.
compared
Teacher
to the
get
soldier. That why
leave
that
in
why
summer
the
vacation,
many students
but
know that
soldiers
they
cannot
are
get leave
become
in summer
a
vacation in
teacher.
winter
The
vacation. They are serving
degree
in
and
every situation in
DLED
weather.
and has complete. Then a teacher can burn, but when you complete a NCC, Air Force, Navy, and armed exam, that you can join the soldier. You know that every student can only join and lead to the grow to the teacher. But now sometime the Indian government has taking an action for it, the implementation of Agnipath scheme, that the joining of soldier by Agni scheme to promote the soldier, because soldier have a good impact in our society security as a nation
Dear
security.
friends, I am agree on this
Moving
point. In
further
my point
discussion,
of
I would
view,
like
when
to add my
father
point here that
fulfill his job responsibility,
Add
he
some
has to
point in
stay
our
away from
discussion,
his
that
home,
we know that the
family
teacher has the
for a long period
responsibility
of time.
to
In my
the
point of
children.
view,
That
dear
teacher
friends.
has the responsibility to growing the future of our India. So you know that in India, one of the main disadvantages is lack of education. So you know that a teacher is the most important to profession, because they are responsible to make the educate people to become a doctor, engineer, and a soldier. So thus for a child to become a soldier, so they need teachers to guide them through. You know, see at the times of COVID-19, many teachers are not coming to school due to the lockdown. But at the times of COVID-19, they another side there the soldiers are hardworking and hardworking. So this is very helpful for our country.
Okay, I agree
Okay,
with my
moving
former.
further in discussion, I would like to add my point here that the role of teachers is very crucial
Although a
in
teacher
everything.
being a
That,
soldier
for
allowed, but
example, teachers are
it is a kind of soldiers who sacrifice his life for serve our nation. Not they are sacrifice their life. The soldier leaves away from his family and continue performing his duty without not much caring of their families anything, and without fear of losing his life. They are just dedicated to ourselves to just for our safety. So as like both are the pillars of our nation, but sometimes soldier plays a major role to save us or our nation.
okay. Moving further in discussion,
Yes, yes,
I would like to add
agree
my
with
points
you.
here. That
I want to add
that
just
please
one
listen to
point.
me.
We can see a student cannot a proper mature. A teacher also help to a teacher also help to conduct a goal of of a students. Like many students have a childhood dream that is make a soldier. So a teacher also help this type of students to make a physical and mentally fit also. And we can see in a soldier life a soldier also become a teacher, and we can see a teacher also become a soldier. So both are connected to each other, and both are the playing an important role in our society.
Yes,
Okay,
dear
moving
friends, I
further in
agree with
discussion,
you.
I
I
would
will
like to
say
add
some
my point
point.
here that there are some.
ओके कैंडिस, देखिए मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ। अभी मैं सेशन को एंड करने की ओर जाऊंगा, उससे पहले आपको एक इम्पोर्टेंट बात बता देता हूँ। मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि जब